Looking for the best wet and dry vacuum cleaners in 2026 for smart and effortless floor cleaning? This video reveals the top 5 advanced machines that can vacuum and mop at the same time, saving you time and energy while delivering professional level home cleaning results. For more information, like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. And let's get started. Number 5. Tineco Floor 1S7 Pro. The Floor 1S7 Pro vacuums debris and washes hard floors at the same time, eliminating the traditional need to first vacuum then mop separately. Robot Face Smart Cleaning Technology. iLoop Smart Sensor detects both dry dirt and wet messes in real time, automatically adjusting suction power, water flow, and brush speed for optimal cleaning efficiency. A 3.6 full LCD display shows cleaning status, battery level, and maintenance prompts. Droplet fresh water plus dirty water separation. The machine has separate clean and dirty water tanks, so you always mop with clean water and don't spread contaminated water around your floors. Counterclockwise arrows button, self-propelled and easy maneuvering. Thanks to the Smooth Power bidirectional self-propulsion system, the S7 Pro actually helps you push it forward and pull it back with less effort. Stopwatch runtime and battery. You can clean up to about 40 minutes of runtime on a single charge, which is usually enough for large spaces before needing to refill or empty tanks. Soap self-cleaning and maintenance ease. When placed back on its dock, it can run an automatic self-clean cycle that flushes and dries the brush roller and tubes, reducing muck buildup and manual cleaning. Edge and corner reach. The dual-sided brush design reaches close to baseboards and into hard-to-reach areas, so you don't miss spots along walls or furniture. Extras. Some versions include voice guidance, app connectivity, and maintenance reminders for a more guided experience. Cleaning modes. Typical operating modes include: Auto mode adjusts automatically based on mess level. Max mode for heavy or stubborn dirt. Suction mode vacuum only. Ultra mode deep clean with electrolyzed water for sanitization. Pros. Great at simultaneous vacuum plus mop cleaning. Smart sensors reduce guesswork and optimize cleaning. Self-clean cycle is genuinely useful. Useful LCD display with feedback and status. Cons/things to consider. Generally premium price compared to basic wet/dry cleaners. Some users find battery lifespan limiting, typical for cordless models. From user reports. Not designed for deep carpet cleaning, best for hard floors. Design recognition. The Floor 1S7 Pro even won a Red Dot Design Award, reflecting its innovative cleaning tech and user-friendly design. Number 4. Dyson V15S Detect Submarine. The Dyson V15S Detect Submarine is a premium cordless vacuum that combines powerful dry vacuuming with dedicated wet floor washing. It's an upgraded version of the V15 Detect, featuring a special submarine wet roller head designed specifically for hard floors. Small blue diamond key features. Broom dry plus wet cleaning in one system. This model allows you to vacuum carpets and rugs using standard cleaner heads, then switch to the submarine wet roller head to wash hard floors like tile, hardwood, laminate, and vinyl. Powerful suction. Powered by Dyson's hyperdymium motor spinning up to 125,000 revolutions per minute, it delivers strong suction capable of removing deep dirt, pet hair, and fine dust. Laser dust detection. The fluffy optic cleaner head uses a precision laser to reveal microscopic dust particles invisible to the naked eye, especially useful on hard floors. LCD Smart Display. The built-in LCD screen shows real-time particle count. Power mode. Remaining runtime. Maintenance alerts. Advanced HEPA filtration. Captures 99.99% of particles as small as 0.1 microns, making it ideal for allergy sufferers and homes with pets. Battery runtime. Provides up to 60 minutes of runtime, depending on mode and attachment used. Battery is removable and replaceable. What's included? Submarine wet roller head. Digital motor bar cleaner head, for carpets. Fluffy optic cleaner head, hard floors. Crevice tool. Combination tool. Wall dock and charger. Pros. Heavy checkmark true wet floor washing attachment. Heavy checkmark extremely strong suction. Heavy Checkmark Intelligent Dirt Detection System. Heavy Checkmark Premium Build Quality. Heavy Checkmark suitable for pet owners. Crossmark Cons. Heavy Multiplication X Premium Price Point. Heavy Multiplication X Small Water Tank for wet cleaning. Heavy Multiplication X slightly heavier than basic cordless vacuums. Who should buy it? Choose the V15S Detect Submarine if you want one machine for carpets and hard floor washing. You prefer premium performance. You have pets or allergies. You want advanced cleaning technology. Number 3. Shark Hydrovac setting started. 1. Power on and normal cleaning. Press the power button on the handle to turn the hydrovac on. When it powers up, the LED display will show the current cleaning mode. Backhand index pointing right. This is what setting started usually refers to, the machine entering its default cleaning mode. Small blue diamond 2. Hard floor cleaning mode. Most hydrovac units automatically start in hard floor mode. This is the optimal setting for sealed floors like hardwood, tile, laminate, and vinyl. To begin cleaning, tilt the handle back slightly so the brush roll engages with the floor and glide the unit forward and backward. Backhand index pointing right. The motor will vacuum plus mop simultaneously in this mode. Small blue diamond 3. Area rug/freshen mode. If your model has a mode button, pressing it switches between hard floor and area rug/freshen mode. In freshen/area rug mode, the unit refreshes low pile rugs gently. Do not saturate thick carpets. Backhand index pointing right. The LED display or icon changes when this mode is active. Droplet cleaning solution requirement. The hydrovac must have clean solution, water plus Shark Hydrovac cleaning concentrate, in its clean tank to run. If the machine detects too little solution, it will not start the cleaning motor. The setting will stay waiting or show a refill warning. Soap self-cleaning mode, after use. Once you finish cleaning, place the hydrovac on its charging dock. Press the power button again. This triggers the self-clean cycle. The self-clean icon will pulse and the unit will run a 2-minute internal clean. Requires the clean tank to be at least half full. When complete, empty the dirty water tank. Bell common LED indicator meanings. According to Shark support info. Blue droplets flashing, clean solution tank needs water/solution refill. Red droplets plus rug icon of brush roll is blocked. Remove debris and check tank seating. Brain quick troubleshooting. If the hydrovac seems stuck on a setting or won't start, heavy checkmark. Make sure both tanks are correctly seated and clean. Heavy checkmark refill the clean solution tank. Number 2. Roborock Dyad Pro / using Dyad Pro. 1. Setup and preparation. Package unbox and charge. Fully assemble the unit, attach handle and cleaning head. Place the Dyad Pro onto its charging dock until fully charged. Make sure the clean and dirty water tanks are seated properly before use. Droplet fill the clean tank. Press the clean tank release and remove the tank. Fill with cold water up to the max line. Optionally add the recommended Roborock cleaning solution. Follow the manual details for correct amounts. Reinstall the tank securely. Dreame 2. Starting cleaning. Unlock the cleaning head. Push the handle or use the release mechanism to unlock the cleaning head. The head must be unlocked for the machine to operate. Play button turn on. Tilt the unit slightly back and press the power button to start. Do not tilt over 60 degrees when the dirty tank has water to avoid leaks. Hammer and wrench 3. Switching modes. Roborock Dyad Pro typically offers multiple modes, displayed on the LED. Pushpin main cleaning modes. Auto mode, standard cleaning adjusts suction automatically. Max mode, higher power for tough messes. Eco mode, lower power for longer battery life. Floor drying mode, helps speed up floor drying after wet cleaning. You toggle modes by pressing the mode change button. The display will show icons for the current mode. Droplet 4. During cleaning, move the Dyad Pro back and forth over the floor. The dual rollers and strong suction pull up wet and dry dirt. If the clean water runs out or the dirty tank fills, the unit will alert you refill or empty it before continuing. Sponge 5. After cleaning, self-clean and dry. Cyclone Standard Self-Clean. Place the unit back on the charging dock. Press the self-clean button once, the system will flush and rinse the rollers and internal path. Stand by until it finishes rinsing. Soap Deep Self-Clean. Press and hold the self-clean button for 2 seconds to enter deep self-clean mode for extra thorough cleaning. Drying. After self-cleaning finishes, it will automatically start drying the rollers and internal lines. You can also manually start/stop drying by pressing the power button while docked. Tip: always empty the dirty water tank immediately after self-cleaning to prevent smells or moisture build-up. Helpful tips. Heavy checkmark: never operate the unit without water in the clean tank during wet cleaning. Heavy checkmark: keep the handle tilted properly, too steep angles can trigger protect. Number 1. Dreame H12 Pro. The Dreame H12 Pro is a cordless wet-dry vacuum and mop combo designed to clean hard floors in one pass, vacuuming debris and washing up wet messes at the same time. It's especially good for wood, tile, laminate, and other hard floors. Small blue diamond: what it is and what it does. Wet plus dry cleaning: it vacuums dust and dirt and mops up spills and stains in one go. Edge-to-edge brush: dual edge cleaning brush reaches walls and corners. Separate tanks: 900 ml clean water tank and 700 ml dirty water tank, large enough for a whole room's cleaning without frequent refills. Battery and runtime: 6x4000 mAh battery provides about 35 minutes of cleaning. Self-cleaning plus hot air drying: after cleaning, it can rinse and dry the roller with hot air so it stays fresh and mold-free. LED display and smart prompts shows battery level, tank status, and mode information. Rocket: how to use, quick step-by-step. Brick 1. Assemble and charge. Remove all parts from the box and attach the handle. Place the unit on its charging base until fully charged before first use. Droplet 2. Fill the clean water tank. Open the clean tank and fill it with water, usually cold water is recommended. Optionally add the manufacturer's cleaning solution for best results. Broom 3. Turn on and start cleaning. Press the power button to start in auto mode, standard cleaning. Guide the vacuum forward and backward across your floors. It will suck up debris and mop at the same time. Gear 4. Modes. You'll usually find multiple modes you can toggle with a button, mode shown on the LED display. Auto mode, standard cleaning. Ultra mode, more powerful for stubborn messes. Suction mode, vacuum only/liquid pickup without mopping. Recycling symbol 5. Self-clean after use. Once you're done, place the H12 Pro back on its dock. Trigger the self-clean mode, the machine rinses the brush and pathways. Hot air drying will dry the brush roller so it stays clean and odor-free. Tips for best results. Heavy checkmark: don't run the vacuum without water in the clean tank when wet mop mode is active, that could damage the roller. Heavy checkmark: use only approved solution, the manufacturer usually suggests its own cleaning detergent. Heavy checkmark: empty the dirty water tank right after cleaning to prevent odors. Heavy checkmark: avoid carpets, this model is built for hard floors, not deep carpet cleaning. Support.dreametech.com. Tom's Guide.